Hey everyone, and welcome to week 7 of American Lit. We only have 12 days left of the quarter. Can you believe it? And we're going to finish with Call of the Wild. So, under your assignments this week, all you have to do is take your final test over the book. How awesome is that? So here it is for you guys. You just click there, it's on the form. I do want to point out that you do have 2 paragraph responses, and you do need to have at least 2 quotes from the book per paragraph there. So make sure you get that. Under the class notebook here, your week 7 Call of the Wild welcome page, content library, and it'll be right here for you is the book right here, and then the audio is right there for you. So that's it. Take your test and enjoy the last chapter of Call of the Wild. Isn't it great that Buck has found love with John Thornton and they have such a great life together? Yeah,